4.1 is the ordinary Taupo Airport Authority Committee meeting on the 19th of February. Any clarification of those minutes?
Mr. Chairman, not clarification, but just an explanation whether they're going to be reported. To do with 4.2, cancellations of flights, particularly Taupo, Auckland, Auckland, Taupo. Is that going to come through in the following minutes?
4.1, who looks after that one? John, Mr. Ridd, there's a query regarding the cancellation of flights, Air New Zealand flights. Talking around the country, it's fairly topical at the moment. They're very short of pilots and that sort of mechanical. Even the Dreamliners are what's the name at the moment, but there's a request in the minutes, I presume. That
No, John, what it's about is that the General Manager's report from the airport mentioned the number of flights that have been cancelled from Taupo, Auckland, Auckland, Taupo, and those are the reasons why.
I think a number of reasons. One of them, look, I'm not technical, but I think our location doesn't help in terms of the weather. Being quite high up, I understand it's actually quite difficult to land here if the conditions are quite bad. I've no real. We'll have to go into each individual one. You know, there'll be various reasons, but I don't disagree that I got stuck last week in Auckland. It was cancelled, but there's not a lot. Pardon. Number of reasons. Auckland I think there was an accident on the Auckland airport and it backed everything up, but sometimes it is the weather coming in here. It is quite hard to land.
Just to clarify, as a former TAA member, I think part of this councillor body is that at every TAA meeting they're presented with statistics on arrival numbers and departure numbers, and it's a matter of, and it has been asked for by councillors for years actually, that the statistics of cancelled flights gets added, because it's a bit not a full picture of who's actually coming in and who's not. We want to know also who's being displaced by Air New Zealand with the cancelled flights, and it's been a long time coming to have that information added to the statistics already provided to the TAA by the General Manager.
Okay, I'll get that. I'll do that. Okay, thanks for that.
Because it also makes people's ability to get here questioned, so it's quite important.
very good. Any other points of clarification of those minutes? Could I have a move, please, for the Airport Committee? Moved by Councillor Jolland, seconded by Councillor Harvey. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against, carried. 4.2, the Ordinary Audit and Risk Committee meeting on the 6th of March. Any clarification of those minutes? No. Happy to Barry, Councillor Hickling, seconded by Councillor Stewart. And the recommendation to carry it forward. 4.2, so the recommendation is okay, cool. So happy to carry that recommendation forward. All those in favour, please say aye. Against, carried.